Hi everyone. This video is about a delicate knit with 2 vertical sections, a solid of 3 loops and an openwork of 5. The pattern consists of 2 rows. This photo illustrates how it looks knitted on a summer blouse. To begin with, you need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, in the solid part, knit 3. In the openwork section, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slope to the left. Knit 1 from the bottom row. Knit 2 together with a slope to the right, and make a yarn over loop. Again, knit 3. Yarn over, knit 2 together with a slope to the left. Knit 1 from the bottom row, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, and yarn over. Knit 3. Yarn over, knit 2 together with a slope to the left. Knit 1 from the bottom row, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, and yarn over. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, purl all stitches until the end of the row. The second row in a round knitting project is worked from the right side. Knit every stitch to the end of the row. I have presented you with an easy and stylish knit that features beautiful relief and texture, making it a perfect choice for summer blouses, tops, and vests. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.